here we see Python Hello World program, which is the first program. I will show this directly on the console. I created one Python practice directory using Windows PowerShell. It's another command prompt provided by Windows. Here I will type just Python hyphen version to know whether it is any Python initially. Here it is showing 3.8.13 version is stored. Also, I enter Python shell like this so that we can directly execute any command like this, like arithmetic commands or just like print hello world directly. Uh, so like this. Also, we can know where the our Python is installed like this. Mm, so by typing these commands, not only this, there are many other commands you can execute and see. So yeah, this is location. It is using anaconda path and anaconda version. So also we can quit this shell and we can write our own program also. Already I have written one program in this, so that is showing this print hello world and all. So I can directly execute that hello world.py. So yeah, this one, when you execute say hello world, it's one. Those are two letters are there. Yeah, that's all about this program.